Hi, intellectuals. Today's video is going to be very much informative because this is going to let you know five words which are very, very helpful into improving your writing skills from 6 to 7 band or more than 7 band. I can say that if you are, targeting more than 7 band for IELTS writing, this is really important what you should learn about. And so now let's start with the very first word here on the screen. So these are five formal words which you should use into your writing while writing for IELTS. And to begin with, the first word is delineate. It means outline. When you are saying something, delineates, that means gives an outline of something. So the given chart delineates the information. So this can be used in particularly, I can say task one, that would be a good idea. So where you can say that this chart delineates the information about or with regards to, or anywhere, wherever you are giving some outline. So it's a formal word. So mostly we use formal words in academic writing task one or mostly essays. But I will not suggest you to use many of them because, excessively using formal language can also be troublesome for IELTS candidates. So it's better to use some of them and maintain the message of the writing very clear also. So message should not be, deviating from what you want to say exactly. And the person should be able to read the message, what is being said actually. Now let's talk about the second word. It's mitigate. Mitigate means to reduce or to alleviate, right? Alleviate. To mitigating this problem, government should take some stringent steps or to mitigate the issue of traffic congestion. So like that, you can use this word. It means alleviate, that means to reduce. Next word, which is on the list from my side, is dissect. That means to analyze. So dissecting the task in several parts may reduce the problem to another level, or you can say it may give some relaxation to public if this thing is dissected into several parts and then specifically analyzed, right, like that. So you can use especially this word when you are going to use the word analyze. So you can replace this word. So next is validate. uh, when you're using validate, so providing some validated points on the sides of the argument. So when you are sharing your details for IELTS writing, so if I want to say validate, so I would say that there are several points which validate the given statement, and uh, I will try to prove them. Next is and the last one on the list is refute. So refute means to disapprove, to refute the given statement. When you are against or you are opposing something that is when some people say that they oppose the statement, then you can say to refute it, to refute. That is the better word to be used here. So formal vocabulary is very important to be used when you want more than 7 band in IELTS writing process. So try to find some examples of these words and then try to incorporate these words into your own writing. So that would be a good idea if you have your own list of 10 to 15 words and you are able to incorporate those words into your writing process. That is always better. So this is delineate, mitigate, dissect, validate, and refute. I hope you liked my video today. And if you liked my video, please share it with others and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.